Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to do like a little pamper night together. Just show you guys some of the things that I like to do when my skin just needs some extra attention and love. So that's what today's gonna be all about. I think this is gonna be a really fun one, just doing like my pamper routine with you guys. So yeah, we are gonna get into all of that. Before we do though, please make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means the world to me, and you guys get 3 videos a week, so please subscribe. But if you want to see my little pamper routine, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right guys, I am already in my comfy PJs. I showered, I washed my hair, so I am already feeling like brand new. All day today and all day yesterday, I've just been feeling so out of it. Like, it's almost that time of the month, so I'm just really in a bad mood. I'm not feeling good. My skin is just not loving me right now. I'm breaking out really bad. It's just been a mess the past couple of days, and I just haven't been in the best mood. So I wanted to do this to cheer myself up, and I figured, why not get on camera, film it, and do it together? So we can pamper ourselves together and just feel better. So yeah, I did all the things already that would make me comfortable. Like, I washed my hair, like I said, I put my PJs on, I have some like warm fuzzy socks on, and I am ready to take care of my skin. So first things first, when I was in the shower, I cleansed my skin and I used the special cleansing gel from Dermalogica. As you can see, I got literally the biggest size that they could possibly have because I love this stuff so much. I use it 2 or 3 times a day, but it's just such a good cleanser, literally the best of the best. And then I used a little exfoliator in the shower too. This is a little bit more of a gentle one. So this is the multivitamin THERMAFOLIANT from Dermalogica. I love using this stuff in the shower. It makes my face just so like soft, and it just like feels new again. I love what this does for me. So those 2 things I already did. The next step that I want to take is I'm gonna put a mask on. So I'm just gonna like push my hair back for this part of it because I don't want to get my freshly washed hair all masky. So for the mask that I'm using today, it is from The Ordinary. I've raved about this mask on multiple other videos on my channel because it's really good. It is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. So good. I'm gonna need a new one soon, and this is not expensive at all, and it does such a good job, but you need to like brace yourself if you're gonna be using this because it burns. Last time I put it on, I literally had to sit in silence for a few minutes because I was suffering. It like burnt so bad. Not burned, but it like stings. Like, especially if you have a breakout, oh my God, it stings on that so bad. So I am gonna leave this on for the 10 minutes. I'll show you guys like the little application that I do, just how I put it on literally with my hands. And then I will go off camera for 10 minutes so I'm not boring you guys. After the 10 minutes is up, I'll come back. I'm gonna wash my face, I think, off camera because I'm not in the bathroom right now, but I'll wash it off camera. I always just take a towel, I'll like wet half of it, just wipe it off with the towel, and then I'll use the dry side to just dry my face off. So that's exactly what I'll do today too. But I will show you guys the application of this. So you see how I apply it, and like the crazy color, it literally looks like blood on your face almost. It's so weird, but I swear by it, it works. So yeah, here is what it looks like. I'm gonna do a lot. So I just squirt it out onto my hand like that and then start applying everywhere. All right, like I said, I put a thick layer on because I want it to really work its magic because I'm not happy with my skin right now. It's definitely stinging in certain spots of my face. Such a weird feeling. So I am gonna sit through this for 10 minutes. If you are using this mask, don't wait more than 10 minutes to wash it off. It's 10 minutes max. So it's 6:54 right now. At 7:04, I'm gonna wash this off, and then I will come back in 10 minutes and we're gonna move on to the next steps. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. and just look already at how alive and just radiant and beautiful and just glowy my face looks already. What a difference. It literally feels so freaking smooth. I love this mask so much. You guys need this if you haven't already tried it. Amazing, so inexpensive, and just look at my forehead especially. Like, I have a big forehead, so you could definitely see on there. Look at how shiny this is. Wow, wow, wow. That's all I have to say. Anyways, normally right now I would do like an overnight moisturizing mask, but I can't find the one that I usually use. So I'm just gonna do a serum and a regular moisturizer instead. So I am using my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, taking some on my forehead and then putting on the rest of my face too. It smells so good, feels so good. I just love it. And then also normally I would be using my Dermalogica Active Moist, my favorite moisturizer, but I wanted something a little bit thicker and I had a sample of this. So I'm gonna be using the CAUDALIE VINOSOURCE HYDRA Water Gel Moisturizer instead for tonight. So I am gonna put that on my face. This is definitely a thicker moisturizer than the Active Moist, and it feels really, really good right now, especially after that mask. And then, oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this part. It's in my skincare fridge right now. I'm gonna jade roll my face. I have two. Well, they're not jade, they're just facial rollers. I have this like jade roller and then this one from Nurse Jamie. I keep them both in my skincare fridge that I have sitting right here. Just keeps them cold and it feels so good on your face, especially after skincare. So I'm just gonna roll my face a little bit with maybe both of them, why not? And then we'll move on to the next part. And I'm gonna take the little side of this one and just do under my eyes with it. Nothing too crazy, just felt really, really good on my face. And I also heard that it helps if you do it right after like your skincare, like your serums and moisturizers and stuff. It just helps to like lock everything in there. So we just have a couple more steps to do. Again, nothing too crazy. I am just gonna take this Truly Beauty Unicorn Fruit Lip Plumping Balm. It's the Peppermint Matcha and Acai Boost. Just like a little lip balm, because my lips have been super chapped. It's getting really cold outside, so I need all the lip balm I could get. And this one's really, really good. So next we are taking the DETOXIFEYE Depuffing Eye Patches. I normally would do these in the morning if I have something going on that day because it really helps with depuffing, but I just want something under my eyes and I really, really like these, so I'm gonna use them at night. I don't care. They just feel really, really good on your face. So I'm gonna take one, put it on each eye. I never know which side is like the one that you're supposed to put on the inside and the outside, so I'm just gonna do it like this and just like slap it on there. Perfect. Again, these are the PIXI DETOXIFEYE eye patches. I'll link all of these products in the description bar too, just so you guys know, just in case you do want to check any of these out. But the last step of my little pamper night is gonna be blemish patches because I absolutely need them so bad. I'm breaking out really, really badly and I wanna stop it before it gets even worse. So I am going to, these are from Dr. JART, by the way. This is my first time trying these specifically, but pimple patches I feel like are pretty helpful. And everything I've ever tried from Dr. JART has been nothing but amazing. So let me see how these work. So it's a blemish micro tip patch with vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid micro tips. This is so interesting. All right, let's see what these actually look like on the inside. Wow, that's weird. I'm gonna need a lot of these. I thought it was gonna be like more than one in here, but I guess not. This is a big one, so I need to put it right here. First things first. Whoa, that's sticky. Oh my God, it's like sharp on the inside. That is so interesting. Maybe I should be sparing with these, I don't know, because it's only like one per little thing, which I find really weird. I thought it was gonna be more. Another big one here. I have a few blemishes that are healing, so I'm not gonna put it on those. I'm just gonna put it on like the fresh ones that are like big and just popped up. So that's gonna be this one right here. These are always the worst. Ow. All right, that was the last step. Now I'm gonna keep these eye patches on for 30 minutes. And then these, what does it say to keep them on for? 2 hours, wow, okay. So at around 9 or 10, I'll take these little pimple patches off and we'll see what happens. But that's basically it. Let me just take my freshly washed, clean, good smelling hair out of this little ponytail. But that's it for my pamper routine. My skin just feels so good right now, you guys. My hair feels good, I feel good. Tomorrow I'm gonna be like fresh and ready for a new self-tan too. So things are just good today. I'm really, really happy that I did this because I've just been feeling like, ew, like I said. So this like really helped to just make me feel better, even at least a little bit. It was like something to take care of myself with, and it took really not that much time, maybe like a total of 20 minutes, and I already feel better. So I love like pamper nights like this, and like I said, I haven't done one in quite a while, so I definitely needed this. And I think this is great for everyone to just take at least like half an hour for themselves to just treat yourself. Do something good for yourself, whether that's having a glass of your favorite drink, or like a pamper night like this, or getting your hair done, or just taking a nap. Literally anything could make such a difference in your mood and just how you're feeling. And this definitely upped my mood. So now I'm just ready to go like snuggle up and watch a movie with my boyfriend and then go to bed and wake up in a really good mood tomorrow. So yeah, very, very great 30-20 minutes for me right now. I'm really happy I did this. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I had a lot of fun doing it with you guys. I'm usually doing it like by myself, so this was really nice to share with you. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the products I used. Let me know what you think about the method that I used, just all the steps that I used and everything. Give me your thoughts. Make sure to comment, say hello, give this a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next one.